Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the Vivo Pad 6 Pro. This time, we're looking at a large 13.2-inch tablet. Alright, it's quite large when opened, but surprisingly thin. This purple one, it's unibody metal design paired with this purple finish. Feels fantastic. But this tablet, I was really looking forward to, even before I got my hands on it, because this time it features a 4K resolution screen on the front. Let's power it on and check out that 4K resolution. Alright guys, the moment the screen lit up, it was quite stunning. Let's start with the video. You can all see the clarity of this 4K resolution. There's almost no graininess, especially since it's an LCD screen. It looks incredibly detailed. There's not much to say about tablets, but I think upgrading the screen resolution to 4K this time is a huge improvement for audio visuals, especially when watching videos. Oh, and for Vivo tablets, there's a very useful feature, which you're seeing now, called the Atomic Workbench. See?
You can have 5 apps continuously in the foreground, then freely open any application. You can directly switch between these 5 apps, keeping them active for easy swapping. Plus, you can directly transfer files across apps. I believe this greatly boosts productivity.
Also this time, the processor it's using is the 5th generation Snapdragon 8 Ultimate, a flagship chip, so there's no need to say more. Let's look at its gaming performance. It directly supports 144 frames. The key is that it can also enable super resolution, and once enabled, you can experience 4K plus 144 frames in games.
Of course, such powerful performance via larger performance besides gaming also allows it to adapt to many professional-grade software. For example, the professional version of CapCut I can still run and edit it on my tablet, especially with this keyboard and mouse. The operation is completely identical, adding materials including cutting and so on, and you can see it's very smooth and fluid.
Of course, the interconnection between this tablet and phones, including Vivo and Apple devices, I've covered this many times before, so I won't repeat myself. Actually, just considering this tablet's 4K resolution and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, it's truly sufficient. Do you like it?